Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with a BraunAbility rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. So this one's going to have the automatic liftgate. And to bring the ramp down, you will use this latch to unlock it. So this ramp here is going to be 34 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 58 inches. As we make our way inside, this one's going to be a full cut conversion. You also have seats that flip out of the way. Now that the seats are flipped out of the way, you can put in two wheelchairs at the same time or set this up for a gurney. And this van here only has 83,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You can lift it up like so. Make sure you push it in to get it locked and close the liftgate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do offer free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 83,000 miles. Here is the view of the front. And here is the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.